Multi-factor authentication is essential, but attackers still target the weakest link: Active Directory and Entra, the very systems that grant access to your entire business. Compromised credentials mean compromised business. When AD is exposed, attackers can move laterally, escalate privileges, and access critical systems. True identity hardening means protecting privileged accounts, enforcing tiered access, and stopping credential theft before it happens. Gijima's experts assess your AD and Entra environment, delivering clear recommendations to achieve maximum protection, built on zero-trust best practices. Go beyond MFA. Secure the systems that grant access to everything. Book your identity hardening assessment today. mssolutions@gijima.com